Hello and welcome to another NTU Geography text-based videocast. Today I'm going to show you ArcGIS, how to create a file geodatabase and feature classes. So, the first thing you want to do is open ArcMap. Then you need to go to this icon here, which is the ArcGIS icon. It has a little yellow filing cabinet. So if you click on that, and a window appears which shows your home geodatabase, which is where all your data will be saved automatically, or your folder connections. So these are folders which I've navigated to previously, and I want to create my new geodatabase in my GIS folder. Okay, so what you need to do now, it's very simple. Right hand click, New, File Geodatabase. Okay, once that's been created, you want to rename it as something you'll remember, so I'm going to call this Farm Demo. Click off and it's created with a name. So you've got your file geodatabase, but it's got no data in it, so what we need to do now is right hand click, New, and we want to add a feature class. This is the way that Esri is now sorting its data. It's very simple. Each feature class needs to be set up individually with the data appropriate to it so it can be drawn by ArcMap. So the first thing we need to do is give it a proper name like field. There we go, demo field. In the actual name of the feature class you can't include any spaces, so make sure you put an underscore in or something, however you want to do it, but in the alias you can. We then need to tell Catalog what type of feature it's going to be, and because I'm going to be drawing some fields, I want it to be polygon features, but you can have line, point, multi-point, etc. So polygon features. Next, you also need to tell Arc which coordinate system your map is going to be in, and preferably they all need to match. I want it to be in British National Grid, so I'm navigating to where the British National Grid system is. So I've selected it. Next, you can pretty much ignore this screen most of the time. And then next again. Here, this creates the different fields for your feature class. If you want to have extra data in there, for example field name, you can put it in here, and then you need to tell the catalogue what type of data it will be. So for names it will be text. If I want to have crop in there as well, so I know what's been grown in the field. But you can have numbers, which is good for creating different types of analysis. So I want text again as well. So finish. And there we have my file geodatabase and a feature class as well. Okay, so you can see that the demo fields has been added to the layers in ArcMap. So if you want to edit this, at the moment there's no data in it, as you can see. If you want to put data into this feature class, go to Editor and start editing. And as you can see, the template for the feature class has appeared. So if you click on that, as I showed you before, you get the different options for creating data. What I'm going to do is I'm going to choose polygon because my fields are going to be a funny shape, and here we go, double click, oops, try again. There we go, so I have created a field in my feature class. And if I want to check that, attributes, and you can see that here I can add wheat, and it's going to be called field close. Okay, so I've edited the data in shape and in name in my feature class, and then I can stop editing. Yes, I do want to save my edits. And there we go. I hope you've enjoyed this NTU Geography video cast, and I hope to see you again soon.